I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Third eye. The techniques I have designed are most safe. To tell you honestly, I have not even designed this technique. I took it from Shaivagamas, Mahadeva's teachings to Devi. I took it from that and organized it. Only the permutation combination is my contribution. Otherwise, the original technique is from Shaivagamas. I have taken this techniques, organized it. It is time-tested, foolproof. No wrong, bad, ill side effects. The only side effect is bliss, knowledge, and enlightenment. I'll initiate all of you into that process. Listen to the technique properly. Now, this technique is a two-part. First part, with your open eyes, start visualizing the center of your forehead, means where I have the kumkum, the red dot. Center of that spot in you, means your third eye, is open. Your third eye is open. You are looking through the third eye. First few minutes it will be little difficult, but you will catch it within 4 or 5 minutes. Let your eyes be open, but look through your third eye. See, visualize, feel you are looking through your third eye. Second step, close your eyes. Visualize the intense golden light is entering into your being and functioning on your third eye, actively getting centered on your third eye. Please understand. The first step is visualizing. You are looking through your third eye, and now my third eye photograph will be projected. Look into my third eye. Look through your third eye to my third eye. First step. Second step, close your eyes and visualize intense light. Golden light is entering into your body from above, the sky, entering into your head and getting centered, functioning, active on your third eye. I'll guide you step by step. Now, please keep your eyes open and gaze at my third eye. Visualize you are looking through your third eye. Between your eyebrows, there is a red color hole. Visualize you have a red color hole between your eyebrows. And intensely look at my third eye. Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. Shiva. Your eyes can be open, but visualize you are looking through the third eye. Shiv, Shambhavi, Om, Hreem, Kundalini, Kula Kundalini, Shiv. Now, close your eyes. Visualize the heavy white light, golden light is landing on your head from the cosmos and getting activated and centered on your third eye. Close your eyes and visualize the energy entering through your head and getting activated and centered on your third eye. Shiva, Kundalini, Kula Kundalini, Shambhavi, Shankari, Shiva, 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 Banashankari, Banashankari. Om Hreem sa, ka, ha, la, hreem. Ha, sa, ka, la, hreem. Ka, ye, yi. Shiva. 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 Shambhavi. Bhairavi. Shiva. 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 Now, again, you can open your eyes and gaze at my third eye through your third eye. Look through your third eye to my third eye. Shiva. Om. Hreem. Shivo. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. You can open your eyes. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Shivoham. So with this, I bless you all. This technique which I initiated you now, you can practice this every day. This is the first step to awaken your third eye. Practice this every day. At least for next 21 days, you will experience awakening of the third eye and Kundalini Shakti in the third eye. And now, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Advaita, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.